Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Catherine. We gonna today come up with another very exciting and amazing project. As you can see on my screen, guys, the George token. You can see this is a very trending and a very good massive opportunity project for you and for the people who want a lot of profit, guys. Their token name, which is George token, their symbol, which is George. You can see their total supply and also the address. This is the project that can, guys, now very popular and a very trending project. Before we are going to start the review of my interesting project, I want to say, if you are new on my channel, guys, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming amazing video notifications and many things more. That this video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for every investment you make. This video is only for educational purpose, guys. Do your own proper research. Now let's start this amazing project. You can see the George token, a multiple decentralized product that are on this amazing project. The non-fungible token, the BP20, the rewards, all the George token protocol assets are governed and bound by the BP20 standards. From staking, from the NFTs, the lottery, the bonus, much more they have for you guys. So don't miss this chance for you to get a lot of massive opportunities. And also, this is a guaranteed reward for our community members and the layer holders, that the funds held with the George token protocol can earn reward based on the market demands for their assets and from our yield farming strategic partners. While it remains safe and our strategic partners as liquidity providers, so you can check the pre-sale price BNB and the public sale price BNB. You can see they have the 50,000 George and they have the 37,500 George. Yeah, they have the pre-sale price or a public sale price, and also they have December 2021 they have the $1, and also in the 2026 they have the $10, and also the lottery for the community on the George tokens as reward by the participating in the lucky draw. So this fund held with the George token lottery will be rewarded to the lucky users who win the lottery on a regular basis, and also they take part in the lottery by just holding $10 worth of George tokens. So this has a great opportunity. You can check those videos, you can check that the breaking news, the token information. They have the latest videos. You can go and check and get the information. And also they are have a super tool for the community. George token, check out the documentation which start to grow your investment and expand your portfolio, guys. And also we're gonna discuss in this video their amazing token mnemonics. You can see that they have the staking 70%. They have the private sale, which is 5%. They have the pre-sale, which is 5%. They have the liquidity, which is 3%. And their teams, which is 7%. The CX listing, they have 10%. And the total supply, you can see. They have also the P2E gaming, exciting play to earn game. Get ready for immersive gaming experience with the non-stop rewards. Stay tuned for the best blockchain guys. This game is coming to you guys, so you can get benefit from it, and also you can play with fun and you can get amazing fun with this amazing game which is coming right soon, guys. And also they have the token roadmap, like they have the harvest period, the idea conception, the team formation, and the documentation and everything, the market, the pre-sale, and then they have the token launch, like they have the pancake swap, the popcorn, the dex tools, the dex review, aggressive marketing, and then they have the expanding period, like the coin market cap, the coin Indexes, Greener Max, Gichigo, aggressive marketing. They have this plannings, and also they have ongoing for the token development, pre-sale, platform and pool launch and trading live, and also they have the upcoming updates like they have the staking platform, they have the RP game launch, they have the lottery system, they have the NFT ecosystem. So there are a lot of things to do, so you can check this out. And also they have the NFT collection coming soon, guys. You can check this out, and also you can see they have a lot of things to do. And also there is something more important about they have their pre-sale. I'm gonna share to you guys the George token pre-sale. You can see the token information, and also you can see the guys, they have the token, like you can put the BNB and you can check the amount in the George. So if you have to put the amount in the BNB 0.5, guys, so then you can check this out, like you're gonna take this 50,000 George and you can buy them, and you can check the token information. So like they have the token name, sample, decimals, and everything. You can check this out. The BNB, when you put 0.01, that's the minimum contribution, and the maximum contribution, which is 1 BNB. So you can put them, you can put the contribution and you can get and you can buy them. So that's how it's work, guys. And also you can see that you can just connect your wallet and you can get this amazing token pre-sale. And also, guys, they have the YouTube channel, so you can go and subscribe them and you can get check their videos and their latest informations and their detailed portfolios. Everything is available. So go and subscribe their YouTube channel, buy their token, and guys, also don't forget to be the part of their social community like the Telegram. So you have to be the part of this membership. You have to part with the Telegram members, and you can get information. You can get updates yourself, and also you get updation. There are further upcoming amazing moves about their project. So you have to just simply go and subscribe the YouTube. You can go and to join their Telegram channel, and also you can buy the token, and you can be the part of today's best amazing community, guys, the George Token Army. You can get a massive opportunity. Don't forget to share with your friends and family so that they get benefit from it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care.